In this video, I will be showing you how to create multiple ratios in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting the logo template to open my first blank canvas. Once the editor is ready, I'll move to the bottom and click the small arrow next to Add Page. This opens a menu where I can select specific formats, like social media. I'll go ahead and choose the Instagram post portrait ratio, which adds a second page in that specific size. To add a custom dimension, I'll click the plus icon again, go to More, and select Custom Size. I'll change the units to inches and enter 5 by 7, then click to create the new page. For my next page, I'll head back into the social media options and select a Facebook post. I can even add a whiteboard layout by selecting that option from the menu. To get a better look at everything, I'll switch to the grid view at the bottom of the screen. From here, I can add another page by clicking the plus sign, navigating back to social media, and choosing a Facebook story. Now I can scroll through my workspace and see all the different ratios and page sizes I've organized within this one project. And that's how you can easily create multiple ratios in Canva for all your design needs.